These days, everyone's talking about business intelligence. Everyone wants to have better insight into their data. Why not? There's tons of it, more than we've ever seen before. I mean, this is critical stuff. People want it now, and the demand is growing. And guess what? It's IT's job to deliver it. For IT, it's like facing 100 kids who all want chocolate cake now. So you take a look at your budget, and of course there isn't any, but since when has that stopped you? And then you go out and you talk to the business users about what they want. And of course they all want something different. It's like everyone wants their own special type of chocolate cake. Some with sprinkles, some with frosting, some gluten-free, you know those kids. But you get the requirements together in a nice document, as if they're never going to change, but you're used to that. You're a pro. And now it's time for you to source a solution, to find a way to make all this chocolate cake. You look at traditional BI vendors, and what they're selling is kind of like a whole cake factory. It's impressive, big, but really expensive, and takes a long time to build. And if you ever want to change the type of cake it makes, you gotta rebuild the whole assembly line. Okay, so you take a look at building it with tools, maybe from a ginormous company, maybe open source, but all of these look like big old piles of separate ingredients. Flour, sugar, butter, cocoa, it's all there, but there's no recipe. You have to work from scratch every time, which means that you'd better really know how to bake, or you'd better be prepared to hire some pastry chefs, because this ain't no place for casual cooks. Then you look at some desktop products that do analytics, make cool charts, and these seem neat. A lot of business users like them. It's like ready-to-eat cake. But a couple of things hit you. Everybody's running around with their own piece of cake, doing whatever they feel like, and you're the one who has to worry about the mess. I mean, who's going to clean up all that data after you kids have your fun? Now, you look at the price. Wow, that's expensive cake. Whoa, Dad's going to have a fit. That's where Logi Analytics comes in. We make a solution that solves the chocolate cake problem. We make an all-in-one, agile, easy-to-use platform that lets IT quickly make, modify, and adapt dashboards, reports, interactive portals, or almost any other kind of BI applications that serve everybody. It's like having the world's greatest cake mix. It's really easy to use, it's fast, you can make almost any type of cake that you want, you can change any existing cake, you can feed everyone without going broke, and you can even use almost any kind of data source without making a mess of your data. Yummy. Come see what we mean at Logi Analytics.